Hi, my name is Benny FS. I help people learn digital skills. Yes, that can help them in online. I help people learn digital skills that can help them earn money online. So if you are new to Canva, because this tutorial is basically on how to use Canva. So don't worry, I'm going to guide you step by step on how to use Canva to make your beautiful designs that you can use to earn online. So let's get started. My YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe, click on the notification bell so that you'll be notified the next time I will drop a beautiful video like this. Thank you very much. Let's get started. Step 1 is open a Canva on your device. The very first step to take, open Canva application on your device. Now this is how it's done. Canva has their application, but there's another way you can access Canva through your web browser like Google Chrome, Opera, or Mozilla Firefox, or Internet Explorer. Any of this one you can access Canva. So if you are using Google Chrome like me, go to the search bar and type canva.com, enter. We wait while it's still loading. All right, beautiful. You have your Canva like this. If you are new to Canva, your home may not display like this. It may show you at this right hand side a sign up kind of background where you must click and you will register with your email. So second step for the new person is to sign up. If you are new to Canva, you have to sign up first. Then when you sign up, you are going to log in with that same details. Then it will bring you to this background. It will bring you to this background. Now this is the home page. When you have finally signed up and you have logged in, this is the home page of Canva. Now let's go to step 2. Step 2 is to choose your design. You choose your design. What do I mean by that? Choosing your design means choose what you want to do, either by creating it afresh, making it afresh, like start from the beginning, from the crash, or choose a template, or choose the new method, which is the AI method now. This one is a new feature on Canva. We also now have AI. I'm going to teach all, but today we are going to use a template. We're going to choose a template. Now, the next one, I'm going to choose a design. All these things are here. When you open it, you see your designs, templates, and AI. So today we are going to use a template. Now let's move forward to step 3. Step 3 is choose a template. Now we are in the era of social media. So the next thing we are going to do is choose a post we can make for social media. So we have various templates here. These are the templates. I'm moving on. All these are templates for various things. Now what this one means is if you want to design for social media, you choose this one. If you just want to edit photo, you choose this one. If you want to make videos, you choose this one. If you want to just form a sheet for Excel or anything, you choose this one. We still have them more and more. Still have a lot of them. Look at presentation and all of them. We even have for websites. We have for whiteboard. We have for, all right. Now we are going to choose social media. Now what you are going to do is you click on it. You click on social media. Click on this one. You click. It's now opening. Now Canva will give you thousands of templates. What is left for you is just to choose one that will match the design you want to do. Look at, we just open social media now. Look at all this come freely from Canva. So now what you will do is just for you to pick one, then you work on it. Just pick one. You work. Let me say we want to do a birthday flyer for our dear friend. We just choose this one. We choose a flyer. It will now load. Choose a template. It's loading. Wow, this is beautiful. Now our template is here. Step 4 is to edit the template you have chosen. Now we choose this template. The next thing to do is to edit the template, right? What do I mean by editing the template? Template consists of the text, background color, images, and some icons. Now how do you edit? What you do is just click on what you want to edit. Maybe you want to replace this image. What you do is touch the image, click on the image. You come to this replace. Click on it, it open like this. Now once it's pop open, you are going to edit it, which is the next step. Edit the template to change or to replace the picture, to change the write-up, to change the background, the color and everything, which is very possible, and this is what we are going to do sharply. Now we are going to first of all change the image, this image here. We're going to change the image. So to change that, click on the image. You see that it's highlighted. Now you click on replace if you want to change the image here. Now click on replace. It will take you now where you have images which you want to change. Now we are going to use this image. Click on the image. You see right here, boom, the image has changed. Now let's go straight to the background. Let's say we want to change the background. Any background you want to use, we have many background online you can download, or you can use your phone to snap a good background and prepare it. Now click on the background. Here is where you have access to click on the background. This place, these empty places here. Now what you are going to do is just click here on the background. You see it's highlighted now. Now replace. Go to this place, click on replace. Now you have beautiful backgrounds here. Now I will choose this one. You see it has changed. The background has changed. I don't want to change the color. I like the color, so the color will still be there. And if you want to change the write-up, just click on it. You see it's highlighted now. You touch it again. See, you double click on it, it will bring out the cursor and your keyboard for you to be able to type. If you want to see all the things that bring you joy, or maybe I want to change it to happiness instead of joy. You see, you can just type and have it all. Then you can change it to your name that is wishing him, maybe at Benny FS. Are you seeing how everything is looking beautiful? This is how to do it. Now, this is how easy it is for you to create flyer on Canva. It's very, very easy. All right, bonus. Now, you can also animate your flyer. That is making your video, making your flyer to become a video. You can animate your flyer. So how do we do that? All the features are just here. All the features are right here on your own. Just to scroll through, look at animate this one, this feature here. So what you do is just click on animate. Anything you want to animate, it could be the whole of the flyer. If it is the whole of the flyer, click outside. Let it not be one particular thing. Then just click on it. Now you select animation. Look at this one, it's called block. You select it, you see how the whole thing will behave. You see, click on this, the next one, you see how it's just behaving. That is how pretty cool you to design a flyer on Canva. Now you have done this. Check on all these features here. You can apply. You want to take anything from here, apply it and see how it behaves. It's free. The next thing to do is that you have what you have designed saved in your phone. This feature here is called download. This one. So the next thing you will do is to click on it. Just click on it and boom, you have it download. Look at the options you have. You can share to WhatsApp. You can download. It's asking you the quality you want to download. Because we animated it, that is why it's suggesting MP4. Somebody will choose to download PNG. All are available. So I want to download the PNG. I choose PNG. And you have size you want to choose. Mine, I will just go straight to download. Whatever they give to me, I will download. So wow, here now we have our beautiful design sitting right inside our device. You see it now. Now you can open it. It's now in your gallery. You can open it and see it. Thank you all for taking your time to go through and to watch this video, and I believe you have benefit so much from this video. Thank you. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share for someone to also benefit from it. Thank you very much. I love you all.